Hi everyone. Today I'm going to solve this example to practice what you learned in AutoCAD. First, open AutoCAD. Let us create the drawing limit. From Format, Drawing Limit, select 0, 0, 0, 0, enter. This one 3000, 3000. Okay. Now I want to create this circle. And this circle 60 units far from the circle, center to center. First, I want to create this circle. Center, bring circle. Here, center. If I check, you see the radius is 10 meter. The radius is 10, while diameter is 20. So, come back, specify radius. Radius is 10. Good. Then, draw a line. You see, this center to this center is 60 units. So I draw a line. Here, shift it at 60, 0. Good. Now, I have to create two circles. One radius is 10 or diameter 20. The other radius is 20. Good. Circle, specify center, that's the center. Specify radius if circle radius is 10. Okay, another circle. This time radius is 20. Good. Now view, from view, zoom all. Okay, you see. Now I have to create this arc. Its radius is 70, and this arc, its radius is 60. How we can create these two arcs? It's easy. Just draw circle, tan radius, tan radius is 70. Good. Also another one, draw circle, tan radius. Select this one. This time radius is 60. Good. Bring trim. Modify here. But first, select all. Create Control A. Then bring trim. Trim this one. This one. Trim. Let me check. Yes, trim this one also. Good. Now I can delete this one and this one. Delete. Let's check what's more we need. Here. You see this center. Let's find the center. This center far from, how much they are far from each other. This is 20. From here to here is 20. Then 10 is 30. Then 30, 60. It means this center to this center is 60. Just come to here. Draw line from this point. Shift it at 60, 0. Good. Enter. We need to draw a circle by radius 10. Bring circle, radius 10. Good. We need another polygon, 8 sides polygon. It is inscribed in circle. You see, inscribe. The diameter is given 40. It means it's inscribed in circle. So go to AutoCAD, polygon, select side 8, specify center of polygon, that's center, inscribe it or circumscribe it, inscribe it, I, specify radius, radius is 20. Let me check. Is 20, but not in this way. Delete this one. Bring a line. Enter. This time polygon. Specify side is 8. Specify center of polygon. That's center. I scribe, yes, inscribe I. Specify radius 20. Enter. Now I want to move this, rotate this one, select it, then rotate, specify base point, this one, specify rotation angle, okay, good, delete this one. Now let's draw the ellipse, okay, draw ellipse center, okay, that's the center. Specify endpoint of axis, let's check, 30, come to here, shift it at 30, 0, good. Specify distance to other axis, 50, okay, shift it at 0, 50, good. Now you can draw a line from this point, this line, deactivate also, good. Select this one, this line, create this line, you see this line, then create this line also, okay, extend, let's extend this to lines, select it, Control A, no, escape, let's extend, that's here we have extend, or from modify, extend, select target object, is this one, right click, extend this one, extend this one. Now escape, Control A, bring trim, this one, okay, this one, delete this one, good. What's more we need, let's check, good. You see, I need a line from this point to this point, okay, copy this line, right click, base point, bring it to here, okay, Control A, bring trim, this one, okay, Good. Now I delete this one, delete this one, delete this one. Let's check. To check it's correct or not, just this one and this one. Let's check. It is 10. It means our drawing is correct. Let's check or compare. We see all it's the same. That's all. Have a nice day.